everyone! Today we're making a super simple and satisfying batch of taco pasta. My Instant Pot is preheated and I'm adding in a pound of ground beef. Any ground meat would work here, but if you're using something extra lean like chicken, you may want to start with a tablespoon of oil just to get things started. I'm using 80-20 chuck, so there's plenty of fat to cook the meat in. This step will take about 7 or 8 minutes in real time. Stir it up once or twice, breaking up the meat as you go. You can drain the fat if you like, but this is only a couple tablespoons worth, so I'm leaving it in, which will add flavor and body to the sauce. 1 packet of taco seasoning, any brand, flavor, or heat level you like. This is the main flavor component, so pick one you really like. Stir this in for just about 30 seconds so that it has a chance to coat and stick to the meat. And here I have 4 cups of beef broth, adding half at this point just to deglaze the bottom of the pot. We need to make sure that nothing is stuck to the bottom before we can move on. I'm using these shells today, but any similar sized pasta will work. Elbow, penne, bowtie, rigatoni, those type of shapes. Make a note of the cooking time on the box before you throw it away. A small can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. Diced, crushed, or tomato sauce will work here. Just make sure you find one that doesn't have Italian flavors added like basil that might clash with the Mexican flavors we're building. Salsa is also a good choice. This is going to cook for 5 minutes on high, followed by a quick pressure release. Note that the cooking time should be half the stovetop time as marked on the pasta you're using, so you may have to adjust up or down. It smells so good in here. Always do a taste check to see if you need to add any salt. This will depend on how much was already in the taco seasoning, broth, and tomatoes that you used. You can choose lower sodium ingredients if salt is a concern for you, but this combination hit me just right. Serve right away with any toppings that you like on tacos. Usual suspects for us are pico, guaco, and cheese. But some other good ideas might be separately to serve onions, tomatoes, jalapenos, cilantro, black olive, sour cream, and those sorts of things. If you have picky eaters, you can set up a toppings bar so they can pick and choose whatever they like. As always, ingredients and instructions are below in the description box. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if that's something you're into. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!